Today's video is showing our TVT01 Tyre Valve Removal Tool. It's also a 4-in-1 tool, so you've got your actual valve core removal tool at the top. You've then got the external thread and cleaning tool. You then have the internal thread for the valve itself and a cleaning tool, and then a rethreading and cleaning tool for where the core sits inside the valve. Now we'll show you exactly how all 4 of these applications will work. So firstly, remove your tyre valve cap, and then we're going to remove the tyre valve core. So using the valve core removal tool on the end, engage the core, make sure you've got no air pressure or very little. This is going to make sure it's going to be safe and you've not got any pressure which is going to cause the valve core itself to fly out at potentially dangerous speeds. So once you've got it halfway, you can almost then do it with your hand. So then we've got one of the other sides. You can actually rethread and clean the external valve. So you just simply screw it down, and that'll remove any burrs or any damage and rethread that external valve core. We've then got the internal thread and cleaning tool. So to do the internal thread, again, engage it in position and simply screw down. And that's going to clean it out and get rid of any burrs as well and any damage. And then once you've done, remove it as so. And then finally, we've got the final variation of this tool, which is going to clean the very internal thread where the actual valve core sits. So you can insert it and it's going to clean it out, make sure there's no rubber from the valve core itself. If that's been damaged, then you can pull it out and you'll see any debris come through on this section here. Then when you're ready, put the valve core back in, place it in position, use the removal tool, engage the lock and simply screw it back into position. Make sure it's fairly tight until you feel some resistance, and that's going to be secure when air is then put into it. And then place your tyre valve cap back on.